Siavash, so you're well known for being a wireless pioneer, and now here you are, CEO of Mimik. We're a software company talking about decentralizing the cloud. How does that work? What is the connection? What's in common with your past history with wireless and now with the cloud?
Well, I'm a communications engineer, right? I did my degree in electrical engineering and wireless communications. My passion for technology was always the use of technology, not the technology itself. You know, and the reason I got involved in communication was that I realized very early on that knowledge and access to information was the most important thing for democracy and democratizing nations and bringing equality into the world. So that was my passion. That's the way I got involved. So initially, connectivity was a big issue. I remember when I worked on CDPD, for instance, we were working on a technology that sent 19.2 kilobits per second. That was the first protocol that, in fact, in Vancouver, in a company that was called NPR, I started working on. It was a project that was done by Macau Cellular, which was eventually acquired by AT&T Wireless. So that's how I started my career, and then I got into 2G, 3G, 4G, with mobile WiMAX that became LTE, and now of course we have 5G coming. It was a few years back that I reached the realization that the physical layer connectivity, the amount of data that you can send, is only one aspect. Now the infrastructure, client-server architecture that we had built had become the bottleneck, because now with the first generation of mobile internet, in order to make building applications easier and creating an app economy, we came up with an architecture where we put the servers in data centers in the cloud, and that's what we know as the cloud, and devices were clients that would connect to it. And no matter what kind of physical connectivity you bring, then you have to send all the information back. There were serious issues around bandwidth, obviously latency, because speed of light, they can never overcome. You can't exceed the speed of light.